Yesterday was the shortest day of the year. It's also known as the winter solstice. Our Belle Oliver explains this and more on this week's edition of Weatherwise.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the episode of Weatherwise. I'm your host, Belle Oliver, and today we're going to be talking about the winter solstice. So again, the Earth goes around the sun 365 days, and that is equal to 1 year. But also in addition to this, the Earth is spinning on an axis 24 hours, and that is 1 day. So another reminder is that the Earth isn't just straight up and down, it is actually tilted 23.5 degrees. And that's really important because the tilt of the Earth is actually why we have our seasons. So I mentioned before a couple months ago about the equinox, and that is the equal day and equal night, but now we're talking about the solstices, which means that we have a large amount of daylight or basically a little bit of it. And so when the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, that is our winter solstice. And that causes us to have the least amount of daylight. It's known as the shortest day of the year. And that also, the winter solstice kind of enters us into the astronomical winter, or the first day of winter. Just one more reminder, the tilt of the Earth causes the seasons, not just because we are closer to the sun or further away from the sun. It's actually that tilt which really causes that. And the winter solstice is occurring this year on December the 21st at 3:19 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you have any more questions for me, make sure to email me at weather@wcbi.com or find us on Facebook and Twitter.
Weatherwise is brought to you by Fort County Electric Power Association.